What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, the Graph, currently trading for $0.13 from the all-time high for the Graph that came in at $2.79. It has lost more than 96% of its value. Right now, we're having a rally in the altcoin market. Altcoins have been pumping the last 1 month. How high can the Graph go in this relief rally? Where is it going to face significant resistance? We'll also be looking at the Graph's performance against Ethereum, the Graph's performance against Bitcoin, and then we'll take a look at the Graph's market cap. How high will it go in this relief rally? The all-time high for the Graph market cap came in at $6.1 billion on the 9th of November 2021. Should we start buying the Graph right now? Should we start selling to the pump? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money trading, holding, or investing in cryptocurrencies for the long haul, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, the Graph is trading for $0.13. In the last 1 year, it has gone as high as $1.33 and as low as $0.08. Currently, it has a market cap of $903 million, a fully diluted market cap of $1.3 billion. The Graph has a maximum supply of 10 billion tokens. We have 6.9 billion of those tokens in circulation, which represents 69% of the total supply. Currently, the Graph is ranked 58 on CoinMarketCap. We have over 375,000 people that have the Graph on their watch list. The ticker for the Graph is GRT. If you want to get it on your favorite exchange, where can you get it on your favorite exchange, guys? You can get it on Binance, on Coinbase, on KuCoin, Kraken, FTX, Gate.io, anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get it on the biggest exchange we have in crypto, on Binance. Guys, why do you want to hold the Graph through the bear market before we start looking at the price chart? The Graph is an indexing protocol for querying data for networks like Ethereum and IPFS. Powered by many applications in both DeFi and broader Web3 ecosystem, anyone can build and publish open API called subgraph. And what makes the Graph unique? The Graph is working to bring reliable, decentralized public infrastructure to mainstream markets. Now let's take a look at the Graph's US dollar price chart. This is the Graph US dollar price chart from December 2020 till August 2022, and in that period of time, the Graph pumped really hard to the upside. It went from as low as $0.12 to as high as over $2.8. It gained over 2,200% in just 55 days in 2021. 2021 was a great year for the Graph, but after then, the Graph has been dumping from the all-time high set at $2.8 in February 2021. It has gone to gobbling town. It has lost over 96% of its value in just 515 days. Now, when the total crypto market was going to set new all-time highs in November 2021, the Graph was not able to set new all-time highs. After the mini bear market we had in crypto in May, June, and July 2021, the Graph only went for a retracement and got to as high as $1.3 in that relief rally. And from there, the Graph dumped really hard again, and it lost more than 93% of its value. So right now that the altcoin market is pumping, and currently we're in altcoin season, should we start selling our the Graph, and where will the Graph face significant resistance if it's going to pump to the upside? First of all, where we are right now is a very, very important level for the Graph. Currently, 0.13 level. That was around the region where the Graph was launched in 2020 December. So we want the Graph to hold that level. Below that level, all people that bought the Graph below 0.13 level, they got it on the cheap right now, because we don't know whether we'll keep dumping to gobbling town. But at the point of recording this video, it looks as if all the people that bought the Graph around 0.13 level got it on the cheap, because above that, that's above the launch price. And you can see that in 2021, it went from that level to as high as 2.9 in just 55 days. So there's nothing saying the Graph can't pump to the upside in a very, very short period of time. That's what all coins do when the market's in easy mode. But right now, we're in the bear market, so even if you see any rally, we're actually going to face significant resistance to the upside. Now, the first resistance level you have to watch out for is the 0.26 level. That's 100% from where we are right now. The market can still rally 100% for the Graph, and we'll still be in a bear market. You can see that after the Graph had its first pump, when it dumped, that region acted as support, the 0.26 level. It acted as support for the Graph in 2021 before it went to set new all-time highs. And right now, I feel like when we're pumping to the upside, that will be a very, very important region where we're going to chill and consolidate. The next level you want to see the Graph break through if we're pumping to the upside is where we got stopped out in April 2022. Now, when the graph was pumping in April 2022, we thought maybe, just maybe, we'll set new all-time highs, since we couldn't set new all-time highs in November 2021. But guess what, guys? The graph got stopped out at this 0.49, 0.48 level. That's another important level we need the graph to pump out of if we're going to see any significant pump to the upside. For where we are right now, for the graph to get to that level, it has to pump another 288%. Is that possible? That's very, very possible, guys. In the previous bear market, Bitcoin alone rallied more than 320%. So the graphs and altcoin, can you do that in the bear market? It can do that, but we don't want to get ahead of ourselves, because from where we are right now, the graph has to pump another 1,900% if we're going to set new all-time highs. The bear market is a very, very long time. Altcoins take around 400 to 800 days before a lot of them find their bottom. Right now, from the all-time high for the graph that happened in February 2021, the graph took more than 516 days before it found its temporary bottom. Will this be the final bottom for the graph, or will it keep dumping into the bear market? Right now, the crypto market is in fear. History has shown that when the market is in extreme fear is when you want to be buying, and all this period in time when the graph was trading below $0.10, the market was in extreme fear. That was the best time to buy. We've seen the graph rally really hard, even though the rally is nothing to write home about, because, guys, in the last 1 year, the graph is down 85.6%. In the last 1 month, it's up 29.3%. But in the last 1 week, it's still down 12.2%. Now, altcoins have been rallying really hard in the last 1 month. We have altcoins that have gone 200%, some of them 300% up in the last 1 month. But the graph has not gone really that high. It has just pumped 29%. So should we be selling our graph right now into the rally, or should we be accumulating more, expecting higher prices? If we take a look at the graph's performance against Bitcoin, since it had its all-time high in February 2021, it has been steadily losing value against Bitcoin. It has lost more than 92% of its value against Bitcoin. Is that enough for the graph in the bear market, or will it keep dumping into Goblin Town and continue losing value against Bitcoin? You can see that it came to the all-time low of its value against Bitcoin. This was exactly where the graph was launched in December 2020. So if we go below this level, we are setting new all-time lows for the graph. So, guys, will you be flipping your Bitcoin for some graph right now, or will you be holding more Bitcoin and dollar cost averaging into the graph during the bear market? If you look at the graph's performance against Ethereum, it's similar to its performance against Bitcoin. It has been steadily losing value against Ethereum since it set its all-time high in February 2021. The graph has lost more than 95% of its value against Ethereum. So there's a recurring theme right here for the graph. Since it set its all-time high, it has lost over 92% of its value against the US dollar, over 92% of its value against Bitcoin, and over 92% of its value against Ethereum. Is this the best time to buy a lot of these altcoins? Probably. Guys, during the bear market, you don't want to go all in on any of these altcoins. You want to dollar cost average into them. These altcoins can keep dumping into Goblin Town. If we take a look at the graph's market cap, the graph's market cap went to as high as $6 billion, and that was in November 2021. That was the all-time high for the graph market cap. You could see that the market cap set an all-time high then, but the price chart did not set an all-time high. In November 2021, the graph's price just got to as high as $1.23, while the market cap got to a new all-time high of over $6 billion. In February 2021, when the graph's price set an all-time high, then the market cap was at $3.61 billion. But in November, when the market cap went to set new all-time highs, the price chart couldn't set new all-time highs. You might be wondering, why did that happen, guys? It's because more craft came into circulation. We had less than 69% circulating then when the price went to the all-time high in February 2021. But as the days rolled by, more of those coins came into circulation. That's why I could see that the market cap went to set new all-time highs, but the price chart couldn't set new all-time highs. From the all-time high for the graph's market cap, you can see that it has taken the graph just 245 days to lose over 90% of that market cap share. Are we going to see all-time lows for the graph's market cap during this bear market? Are we going to see it drop maybe to as low as $200 million or maybe $500 million? Or are we going to see it set new all-time highs? Very, very important resistance level that the graph will need to pass if we're going to set new all-time highs on the market cap chart is the $1.4 billion level. That level has been a reactionary level for the graph. We found support right there in July 2021. Even in 2022, when we said dumping Goblin Town, we found support right there. So I expect the graph's market cap to have interaction with this $1.4 billion region very, very soon. And maybe, just maybe, we might not get there before we continue dumping. But for us to get there, we have to pump another 62%. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be buying more graphs through the bear market? Will you be selling all your graphs through the bear market? Or will you be accumulating more, waiting for the next bull run? Or will you be holding through the chaos, waiting for the next bull run when the graph will go to new all-time highs? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.